Ayan. Yan yung aming bisita for today. Jeda, look at here, Jeda. Uy, look at here. Mayahin siya. Kambal niya yan ni Nicole. Pareha sila. Para sa introvert, di ba? Ha? What's that, baby? Who is that, baby Yana? You have two artists now. That's Ate Jeda and Ate Nicole. Wow. Sana all. May pa-ice cream pa sila, oh. Ba't ganyan yung position mo? Oh, what happened? Upo mo, Col. Dito lang kayo kasi umuulan eh. Dapat sama tayo eh. Baby, it's raining outside. Oh, bye-bye, mama. Flying kiss, mami. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Flying kiss na. Okay, flying kiss. Mama will stay here lang, ikaw. Mama will go and daddy buy some groceries. Okay? Bye-bye. Where are you? Started. Ayun niya talaga akong nag-video. Gigigil ako sa taong ito. Mami. Umaambon, oh. Ay, ba't parang yata madilim. Oh, be careful. Paning tawhana, oy. Punta kami ng Pure Gold, mga shots. Mag-grocery lang kami ng kunti kasi wala na talaga kami stock. Tapos, umaambon. Traffic. Tapos umaambon. Dadalhin sana namin si Ayana at saka si Nicole kaso nga lang umulan naman. Buti na lang kamo umulan din. Kasi, ay, ang gulo ng mundong ibabaw. It's getting harder. Turn it, open it. Open it, babe. It's raining na. You want to have a headache? Why is talking like? Is he talking to somebody, someone, or?
all معنا people منوية.
Mahirap na nawalan sa sarili. Kala ko may kausap si Kuya.
Loko-loko.
Loko-loko? Marami ng loko-loko. Punta lang kami ng Pure Gold. That's where I bought my my bike.
There's nothing wrong with the brake. Only you have to change the wire.
Yeah, but they said it's hot. It's better to do it to change everything.
Better. The brakes are okay.
I know
Not
they're
better.
okay.
You only want to make extra money. That's all.
Yeah, what can we do also? Nothing we can do. We should ask my brother-in-law before, when they were here. Yeah, I don't even think that because it's Christmas. There's no time to think about that.
The brake wire costs around what? 50 pesos
Oh,
for
it's not,
2 sets.
babe, it's not that not like that because you know that my bike is very expensive one. What do you call that? The tire? Hydraulic tire? Right?
Hydraulics, man.
What do you call that then?
Nothing.
What nothing then?
Hydraulics.
It's what you call hydraulic bicycle. Ay, nakong tao na to nakakaalibadbad. Mag-aaway pa yata kami
You
dito.
will do that shit and you must have paid.
And then they will charge you more. Gigigil ako. Nag-aaway pa kami.
Why? Why do you want to see the brake? The brakes are all okay. Give me a reason. Just change the, what do you call the wire. Which is damaged.
Just smile na lang, babe. Mainitin yung ulo yung kasama ko. Ganon talaga pag ano. Ay, alam mo na, walang budget. Traffic, oy. Be careful, be careful. There's a dog. Oh, poor dog. Kawawa naman yung aso. Tiang-tiang na. La 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 la.
Don't listen to me. La, 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 la.
Nagyaw-yaw yung isa, bahala nga sa buhay mo dyan. Kasarap i-record para ano, may ebidensya ako. Malapit na kami sa Pure Gold mga chefs. Yung nagpapayong kayo, hindi naman umuulan. Umaambon lang. Mainit din ang ulo ng isang ito. Babe, why you're so grumpy today?
Huh?
Why you so cranky?
Cranky.
You are.
There's so much noise. I'm talking loudly because there's so much freaking noise going.
Yeah, your voice also is too loud. That's
But
why.
you can't hear because I'm on the traffic over there. You can't hear. See, over here, no traffic. I'm talking nicely now.
Honestly, kasarap mo. Ay nako, nandito na pala kami mga shots. Pure Gold daw. Hindi tayo makapag-video masyado yan sa loob kasi may music. Pwede naman siguro patago lang. Pag nasa mga groceryhan. Kasi lagi silang may music. Lagi tayo nakaka-copyright. Makaka-video lang tayo, ano siya, ano ba yung speed. Basta yun yun. Yung anak ko, pag nagsashampoo ng ganito, bumibili kami. Ay, ang bilis maubos. So, dito tayo sa sachet. At least mayroon dyan pira-piraso. Gupit-gupit din natin. So, we have that. I need what do you call this? Conditioner. Where's the conditioner? I think somewhere here. I need a conditioner. Conditioner, babe. Where's the cream silk conditioner?
Huh?
I think that is there. Conditioner. Shampoo conditioner.
Take this one.
Which one?
Anna.
Ana. Oh, what about here? It's just only 71. So what's the different? Piso? Can I get two? Okay. Okay, let's go to laundry. Tingi. Sabi niya yung budget namin 3K lang daw. Saan kaya aabot yung 3K? Babe, I need this one. Can I get the big one or just this one lang? This one.
The big one, remember I brought?
No, we don't have, babe. Babe, that's a liquid. This one is the conditioner, fabric conditioner.
For the clothes.
Yeah. And we need powder. Let's go. Get the powder. And let's get Downy. Which one here? Ariel? No, get the surf one. Surf. Tanggal, bumili kami ng kasi mura lang. Yan less than 20 pesos lang, di ba? Tanggal ang napakaasim. kaya pala siya mura. Mapapamura ka sa asim. Pinatry ko sa isa, sabi ko matamis. Naloko ko na naman. Ito ba, yung kay Ayana? Parang gusto ko ibigay kay Ayana. Babe, this Ayana is okay? Butter toast? Friana, that's hard also, like a breadstick.
I take that one.
No, I think there is something like they already slice it.
That's why I said that one.
Which one? This one? Which one slice? Did you see a slice?
These are already sliced, but these ones.
What about that one? They're the same, babe. This one is just like what do you
They're
call
single
that?
sachets.
Just get this one. Just try it. That's what they call bundle. 10 pack. This one is 5 pieces. That's okay. This one. Sabi niya budget namin 3K. So tingnan natin kung magkano yung aabutin ng 3K.
Put the money first like that, babes. Let me finish your work first.
Paano lang siya ng kanyang cellphone. Yung cellphone niyang tsaka. Okay, I'll remove this one, babe. Yes. Kasi nabasag ng kanyang anak yung kanyang tempered glass. Pwede see? Kapot na.
Sana, tinanggal mo na.
Sira na yung kanyang tempered glass. Papalitan muna namin. Sa labas na kami mga syas, tapos na kami ang grocery. Waiting lang kami ng aming Grab kasi hindi namin kakayanin yung aming dadalhin. Ang dami. Ang hirap lang walang katse. Wala po. Hindi po. Hindi. Makulimlim parang uulan talaga ito mamayang gabi. Ay nako, wala na. Gabi na. I'll take a video of you only, huh? You want me to help? Take video. Of course. I'm a videographer. So just...
Oh, very heavy now.
Okay, let's go. Hi, thank you. Here na.
Okay, boy. Hey. Oh, yeah.